So I have a confession to make. As many of you know, I bought this house back in May of 2020, and it is a single family home that I was converting to a duplex. And I actually succeeded in converting it to a duplex. I was posting regular updates for a while there, but definitely fell off of social media and just posting the updates all together. And my confession is that I finished the remodel, I finished the conversion, and it's actually been finished since probably August of last year. And I actually have it rented out as well, and it's been rented out, and it's gone great with my tenant the whole time. He moved in August, and it's been great. And I get $2,400 a month in rent for the main unit. So the long-awaited kind of reveal of the project finished is here. I've got some before and after photos that I want to run through with you guys to kind of show you what it looked like when I bought the property and what the finished product of the remodel looks like as well. So here it is from the outside. Super unique property. A lot of people think it's ugly. I think it's cool. But here we go. I guess it was unique on the inside as well when I purchased it. And we kind of made it, we updated a lot, added 2 bedrooms really to the floor plan, reworked a lot of the floor plan. So like biggest one example is we moved the front door. You can see it kind of through the window here, moved the front door completely to right here where these windows are. Turn this front entranceway into one of the now 3 bedrooms. So got rid of all of this, got rid of this closet, put a window where the old front door was, put up a wall here. You can see the wall right here. And like I said, move the front door. This is inside that old entryway. I did keep this super cool phone and probably won't part with it because I think it's a legit phone from, what is that, the 1920s? Who knows? Did get rid of this ugly light fixture though. Here's the after. So you'll see, got rid of all of this, the closet and everything, new flooring. Did decide to keep the paneling here and just painted it white. And I think it's kind of a nice accent wall. I kind of envisioned, either this being a bedroom or an office space. And I think it would make for a great office space with all the light that you get throughout the day. Here is looking the other way of this wall that we got rid of. So now you come in kind of through this door and there's a closet here. Here is the living room, pre-renovation. So one of the biggest things we had to do was kind of make the floor plan work. This floor plan was just terrible. You had to walk through, the only bedroom that the unit had, we'll say, to get to like the living room, the dining room, the family room area, and the kitchen, which really didn't make any sense because it was, when I purchased it, it was kind of converted. It was like a single family with an ADU. Whether that accessory dwelling unit was legal or not is kind of, I have no clue, to be completely honest. I know the process started, but I don't know if it was ever formally finished. So I just formally went through the process with the city of Minneapolis to switch it to a legal duplex. But to make the floor plan better, you'll see when we move the front door, we put a giant hole in this wall too. So now you just go from the entryway area into the living room. And it works. I mean, the floor plan makes so much more sense now. Kept the arches, couldn't get rid of those. I mean, everybody comments on how much they like the arches, and I like them too. Little unique feature. This was previously a wet bar. I don't know too many people who use wet bars in the middle of their living room anymore. I think this prior remodel was probably done in these, I don't know, the 70s, when wet bars in your living room were cool. Not to say that they're not cool anymore, but you could definitely use the space a lot better. So what we ended up doing was putting in-unit laundry here, and then this dining room, became the 3rd bedroom. And so you'll see the laundry's in this door. This extra space kind of in between the laundry is actually a walk-in closet for this third bedroom, and then we've got the bedroom door here. So from this to this. Dining room, again, kind of kept the paneling and just painted it. I think it's a nice accent. It looks actually really nice. Decided to keep the beams, have some of the original character in there. New light fixture. I mean, still have the big sliding glass doors, which let in a ton of light. Kitchen, basically everything is new in the kitchen. Got rid of this drop ceiling. Moved the fridge to the other side over here where the trash compactor and in counter blender used to be. And then opened up this wall on the left here. So I don't know if you can see it. You can kind of see it here in these photos. There was a wall dividing the dining room area from the kitchen that we just got rid of entirely to create that open floor plan feel. And I think it's, I mean, a million times better. This kitchen is, I wish I lived in this unit, to be completely honest. It's super nice. Some more kitchen here, really good. Gives you an idea of how open it feels now with that wall gone, and you have just tons of counter space. Have a dishwasher in there still. Went with, I believe it's granite countertops, not quartz, because they look almost exactly the same, but the granite was a little bit cheaper. Here's that dining room that was turned into the third bedroom. It's kind of like a master bedroom with a walk-in closet, and there's a bathroom back here, kind of back to the left here, that also kind of completely redid the bathroom. Got rid of all this ugly tile, new vanity, covered up the ugly floor tile. Blue toilet sadly had to go. And I think it turned out really nicely. Here is the last bath or bedroom. You'll see this is where the stairs going upstairs used to be. They were actually completely functionally kind of terrible to begin with. I'm a taller guy, and to get through this part right here of the stairs, like I really had to duck. I think maybe the clearance is like 5 foot, 5'5". So I mean, it just really wasn't great in the beginning. I think the entire second level of the home was an addition at some point, along with kind of the kitchen dining room area that we saw earlier. But to make this bathroom not be accessed through one of the bedrooms, basically just plugged in this door, got rid of that, and moved the door kind of behind where this door is sitting right now. And then this bedroom door opens in rather than out into the hallway area. And the stairs is now just turned into like a linen closet too. So you can see this is where that bathroom door used to be. And then just actually some really light cosmetic stuff in the bathroom, painting, new blinds throughout the property, new vanity, new mirror, new toilet. Yes, the Bucks, a lot of people envied me for the cushy toilet seat Buck picture, but I think it ended up in the trash ultimately. And that's kind of the before and after. I mean, I think I'm very happy with how it turned out. I originally listed it for $25.50 a month, and I actually had a fair amount of interest. So it's a 3-bed, 2 kind of full bath, 1,300 square feet. I originally listed it for $25.50 a month. Had quite a bit of interest, but nobody really was pulling the trigger. Dropped it down to what I initially wanted anyways, which was $2,400, and got a really strong applicant. And I think $800 a bedroom for Northeast is a pretty good rental rate. And I've had no issues with my tenant currently. Very happy.